Hello, I am Charity, and today I'm going to show you how to use a riveting system to connect plastic and other materials without glue or heat. You can get the system in a small size called standard or a larger size called a long reach. The standard is perfect for riveting thin sheets together, but if you want to rivet larger forms, you may want to go ahead and get the long reach. You can use conventional rivets or an eyelet rivet, which has a hole all the way through. They do require different punching sets though. The system has two sides. One side pierces or punches a hole through your material, and the other will flare the metal rivet. First, you must pierce a hole in your material, in this case a small brass sheet. I'm lining up the material where I want the hole, just under the point of the piercing side. Turn the handle slowly clockwise until it goes all the way through your material. To remove your material, turn the handle counterclockwise. You might have to hold on to the material while you're turning for it to slide off. For this, I'll be using a shorter rivet since I'll only be riveting together two thin pieces of material. The rounded dome of the rivet will set into the concave shape base in your system. And now this is the flaring side of the system. So I thread all of the layers together onto my rivet. You can see I am checking to make sure I have a little bit of that rivet showing on the other side of my layers. This is the part that the tool will flare out and sandwich all of your layers together. Once the rivet head is resting in that concave shape, I can start turning the handle clockwise again. There is a little nose in the flaring set, and that will go into a little divot into your rivet. And then you twist gently to flare the metal out. This is how you would traditionally use the riveting system. However, I work with single-use plastics. So this is a piece of plastic from a laundry detergent container. I'm going to cut it with just a pair of scissors to get it into the shape that I want. Like with the metal, I'll need to punch a hole through all of the material layers that I want to rivet together. For this part of the demo, I'm using the eyelet riveting punch set, which I had to buy separately. They have pre-made eyelets, which I'll show in this video, but you can also make your own with silver tubes. I am now threading all of the pre-cut plastic layers and the metal piece in the order that I want them to sit. I've chosen a longer rivet so I can add more layers of material. Again, make sure to leave some of the tube of the eyelet still visible. Like the traditional rivet, you will need to have enough material that the punch can flare out and over your materials. For the most part, this part of the process is like riveting a standard rivet. However, both sides of the system will have a little nose in the punch, half, and you'll want to line up that nose with the hole or the tube of the eyelet. If you find that you want your eyelet to fit more snugly around all of your layers, you can put it back into your riveting system and just turn the handle a little more than you did before. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you're curious about how to make jewelry with this tool, go on over to my website where you can watch a free course on making riveted earrings out of plastic folders.